In this video, I will show you how you can actually build up your first N8N AI agent within 5 minutes, and it will be actually a working AI agent. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is we have to go over to the website called n8n.io. From here, we actually need to create an account or sign in if you already have an account. If you have signed in or click on Get Started, you will actually go over to this Overview tab. From here, we need to click Create Workflow. Then we are in a blank canvas. From here, we need to build up our very first AI agent. And we do this by clicking on Add First Step. If we have clicked on Add First Step, we actually see quite some things pop up. So from here, we will see that we have the trigger, which can be manually on an app event, on a schedule, on webhook call, on form submission, or for example on chat message. For this case, we will use on chat message. It's just easy to show you guys how it really works. If I click this one on, and from here we have now actually a full working chat model. Not working, but it is here. So if I type in something like hello, it will actually start responding, but not with the right feedback, so not the right message. Because as you can see, it delivered me back this message, which is not correct, because there is no follow-up after the first chat message. So we need to set up our very first AI agent, like so. We click here on this icon, then we click on AI. We will see AI agent pop up. We click on the AI agent, then we have a full working AI agent ready to be installed. What we can do here is actually on the left side see the input, on the middle side see the actual node that we are in from N8N, and the actual output when we execute step. So if I click on execute step, it will give me the output, which is in this case not working because we don't have a chat model. From here we see source for prompt. And if I click on this, I have connected chat trigger node or define below. If I click on define below, I need to fill in a prompt. I can just get this one, for example, get it into here, and then if I execute node, it is still not working because we have not a using chat model. But this is how you actually build up your N8N workflows. From this, we need to set up connected chat trigger node. Then we have to set up a full working chat model, which we can do by clicking on the icon from the chat model. And then we have all the LLMs available to us in N8N. So for example, Claude, OpenAI chat model through Microsoft Azure, AWS, we have DeepSeek, we have Google Gemini, we have Mistral, we have Ollama, but we also have OpenAI, which in this case is the one I am using. So if we click on OpenAI, this will pop up. In this case, I already installed my OpenAI account into this working pencil. So if I click on the pencil, I need to fill in the API keys. You can get it by going over to this doc and following these steps. Quite simple. From here we can select a chat model. In this case it is 4.1 mini, which is fine for me now. So I actually have a working AI agent. So if I now try to test this and I say hello, it will actually give me something back. Hello, how can I assist you today? Which is a working AI agent. The most simple one, but it is a working AI agent. I can deploy this one on my website and it can actually talk. And the thing from N8N is that you can actually fill things on with tools and memory, so you can make the AI agent smarter. And that's the whole difference between making an AI agent in N8N and just using ChatGPT, for example. So from here, if I now say pick a number between 1 and 5, it will pick a number. But if I then say hello again and say what number did you just give me, it will not remember what number it gave me. So you see, it's not really a smart one. So to fix this, I will have to fill in the memory. I will go with a simple memory and set it on 5 context window length, 5 different chat messages. So now if I say to him, hello, pick a number between 1 and 100, Then I say hello. It gave me 42. What number did you just give me? It should give me 42 as a number. And that's how this memory thing works. So this is how you can actually create a working AI agent. So to have more insight into working AI agent, you should also check out my full other videos here on my YouTube page. You can subscribe to me. And if you want to go further than that, you can actually join my school community where I will teach you guys how you can actually make AI automations and make it really simple for you guys. And as you can see, it's already joined by 442 members in this community, which now it's only on $27 a month, but the price will increase after 500 members to $47 a month. And it will not go back to 27. So make that count for you and join my school community through link in bio. Thanks and bye-bye.